and go on to part 2. Let's just go right into part 3.
Wow. Awesome.
Should we do it? Or let's do another poll?
Let's do it. I think our questions were stacking up, so let's just see if we can just grab a couple of them.
Let's do some questions.
But of course, you can do whatever you want because you got the mouse. So
no, let's do some questions. Let's see. Can I open an account with $1,000, and will that be considered a standard account or a mini account with Interbank FX? Good question, Bono. Great question. You can open that up with a standard or a mini account. That's really up to you. We're not really going to decide for you. A word to the wise: if you do a standard account, you'll definitely want to trade in the micro lots or 0.01 lots. And with anything, if you're looking to start to go to a live account, start a demo account in the same scenario. I would open up a demo account in a standard account and a standard account demo, and try it that way and see how it works for you. Or you might want to go, a mini account might be more suitable for you. So I just test things out and see how things work for you. Good question.
And you had a question on a couple of different pairs that you're not seeing in your MarketWatch box available to drag and drop after you. So it's related to the waiting for update thing. My assumption is that you've taken this waiting for update and attempting to drag into your charting area some pairs that you don't see. And my first question is, if you've already selected show all, those are all the pairs that we allow. And I don't think the two that you list are available in a live account. I'm not recalling exactly because I don't have my cheat sheet with me, but there are. And that being said, there's 31 in the demo account, and there's 26 in the live account. So we kind of use the demo account as a proving ground for possible future pairs that will allow to be live traded. That being said, it's that's where we go with that.
Good question. Good questions. Let's see here. A question on taxes. Basically, with 140 different countries represented into our client base, we're really, it's kind of up to you as far as what you do with your taxes on your trade account. We do give you access to account statements at the end of the year for those purposes, for you to actually go ahead and figure that out. So
our suggestion: go to a qualified tax professional to get some counsel on how that affects you and your area, and specifically in your circumstance.
Absolutely.
Dave, you had a question: is the balance displayed in pounds or in dollars? It's displayed in dollars. All our accounts currently are held in USD. Come our opening of our affiliate offices, we have an affiliate office that's pending opening in the UK, as well as one that's processing in Australia. And so my assumption with those is they'll probably be available in local currencies for base, but that has yet to be determined.
Awesome, awesome. Let's see here. Another good question from Dave. If trades roll over several days or weeks, do you charge credit for this? Basically, that would be considered on our swap, or it's based on the interest of the currency, the currencies that you're trading. All of our swap rates are listed on the website. You can actually, how does that factor in? Basically, if you keep a trade over 5 p.m. Eastern time, you're going to be charged to swap on that individual trade. So, great question.
Another question that came in: when does the office in the UK open? Soon, we hope. We're really looking forward to it. We've got all our paperwork in, just waiting for the UK government to give us a nod. So, not sure. We don't have an ETA on that one, but we're hoping in the next little while.
Good question. Wow.
Should we do another poll?
Let's do another poll. Yes.
Yes, indeed. Maybe something to do with trading history or trading experience.
Let's do. Oh, did we already do that?
Let's expand that one a little bit.
We already did. We actually already did that, so we're going to go ahead and hide that one. Perfect. Let's do, what is your overall trading experience, or Forex?
Either way.
Let's do Forex trading experience. What experience do you have in the Forex market? Just going to leave this open for about 20 or 30 seconds to make sure everyone can kind of...
This will be a quick poll.
Be a quick poll here.
Yes. If you're at the other side of the of your desk area, then there we go. We are coming up on, yes.
That's exciting.
It is.
Let's see here.
Good stuff.
60. It looks like we have a lot of people coming in from all across the board almost. That's cool.
Almost
We're going to
nearly
keep this
across the
open
board.
for about 5 more seconds.
Boom,
Gosh,
boom, boom.
that's fast.
That is.
That's a fast pull.
Cool.
All right, let's close
up.
it out. Looks like, wow, cool.
Most of us under a year, 1 year under, and then the next majority is from 2 to 3 years. So, but a little bit from them all. So 5 years or more as well. So thank you again for joining us, and thanks for sharing your forex trading experience.
That's awesome. Cool, cool. Let us
move forward.
Let us go on. First thing we have here is some great information, a great tools. Our Dow Jones news, Dow Jones real-time news feed that comes directly to the platform. As we mentioned before, right in your news tab, you'll see that there. And if you want to look at that specific news event, just double left click in it. It will bring up this little box here, as you can see on your screen.
I can see.
And if you want to click to get more information, it actually gives you the front of a web page for more important news or market information on that particular event.
And how much that cost, bro?
It's free. Free. Oh yeah.
It's free.
Exciting.
Freedom. Okay.
Oh, I skipped one.
That was really quick.
Sorry.
That was a quick page. International Economic Calendar. You can go to this one. This is actually linked from the front page of our website. I think it's in the bottom right-hand corner now. They've done some recent adjustments, but this is nice because it's powered by Econo Day. It's user-friendly. It's got flags on it, for heaven's sakes. You know, it's I like that because it tells me I can identify my flag or someone else's flag, and that's an easy way to you can also drill down into them and get some more detail on these as well. So it's nice.
Free online forex education, like we were mentioning, it's right on our education tab in our website. Can't miss it. Lots of great info on from everything from introduction to the forex market to trading strategies, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Really great. So if you want to, and if you have some time at your leisure, go check that out.
Dare I say a grundle? I've said that again, but this is.
And if those of you don't know what grundle means, it means a lot. A lot of good info.
Custom tools. We have, this is, as we referenced in the first section, custom tools. We have a bunch of these as well. You can categorize them by popular trading online, one of those in the top left-hand corner, or you can show them all. Not every tool is going to relate to every strategy. Again, you want to pick and choose, but these are free, so take a look at those and see which ones pertain to you or which ones you'd like to delve into. We're going to take a chance to go over 3 of these. The customer favorites is how they're deemed. The first is the IBFX CPR, Candlestick Pattern Recognition. The second, the Daily Pivots, and the third, Pattern Recognition Scanner. So let's just dig into those. Let's go back to the platform, if we could. And the first one is the CPR, Candlestick Pattern Recognition. After you download it from our website, it will appear in the Custom Indicators file within your Navigator box. To apply it, simply...
Sorry, I'm going to take this moving average off really quick so
you're
to
good.
confuse people.
There we go. Simply drag and drop. We're actually going to do the candlesticks first.
Sorry.
You're good. Candlestick. We can do whatever we want because you got the mouse. But candlestick patterns. Click OK, and voila, it will show you the candlestick pattern recognition, which in essence says, okay, we applied this to the Euro USD. It's going to quickly scan all time frames, and it's going to look for all of those candlestick patterns on the left, and as well as clicking for them, it won't just identify them, but it'll also identify if it tends to be if it's indicating a bullish or a bearish movement. Also, there's a couple of and just adjusted the view of the chart to demonstrate the potential take profit or stop loss points. So this tool is going to show you a perspective stop loss or take profit on this one. So this is where are we at right now? M5.
M5.
Okay, M5. It said about 16 bars ago on that one that there was a sell opportunity. This one was it didn't hit either one, and so this one is not going for either one. But let's try the M15 one. Maybe that'll be a little more recent. There we go. There we go. Okay, so this one, as noted by the asterisks up there, shows M4 for the, M15 4 periods ago, and it said, okay, there's a buy order option right here, and it's indicated an upward movement at that time. Again, it hasn't hit either opportunity on that one, but it was headed upwards. So anyway, take a look at that, blend it into an existing strategy that you have